Got a new plug, my other guy sucks. Better got a buzz out, 25 bucks. Drop 200, I got too much, and I got too fried, I'm sunny side up. Got your dad doing blow my ass. Got your mom trying to suck on my nuts. Don't tell me money don't buy happiness when it's so happen that money buy drugs. Therefore, by the transit of property, when I'm fucked up, don't talk to me. I feel like it's a bunch of little bugs on top of me. Help me, I can't get them off of me. I can't move, I'm stuck in the sofa. That's stuck in a room where the walls get closer. Next time you try fucking me over, I'll put you in the back with a plugged-in toaster. It's too late, no one can stop me. Hey Siri, how do you get rid of a body? Chop it up, do a little bit of karate. I'm doing 90 and it's sitting in a bag riding shoddy. Such a good boy when I was 18, but I smoked alcohol and drank weed, and now my brain turned into baked beans. Don't be like me, kids, I'm fried. Got a new plug, my other guy sucks. Better got a buzz out, 25 bucks. Drop 200, I got too much, and I got too fried, I'm sunny side up. Got your dad doing blow off my ass. Got your mom trying to suck on my nuts. Don't tell me money don't buy happiness when it's so happen that money buy drugs. I feel obligated to say this, kids don't do drugs. Drugs are dangerous, the brain can change in ways I can't explain, but it feel like I'm stuck in a simulation. Two sedatives for the euthanasia. The voice in my head got too persuasive, the flu contagious. Everybody dead except a couple rich white dudes in spaceships. Ding ding, time is up. The world is ending, the climate sucks. I'm high and drunk, driving a Cybertruck. The AI talking to me like it's trying to fuck. Such a good boy when I was 18, but I smoked alcohol and drank weed, and now my brain turned into baked beans. Don't be like me, kids, I'm fried. Got a new plug, my other guy sucks. Better got a buzz out, 25 bucks. Drop 200, I got too much, and I got too fried, I'm sunny side up. Got your dad doing blow off my ass. Got your mom trying to suck on my nuts. Don't tell me money don't buy happiness when it's so happen that money bites. This is a reminder, I'm the best you haven't heard yet. I'm subbing in and going over shit you haven't learned yet. A new professor, this is 2 semesters and a lesson. My students knew this shit, I'm doing worse than I expected. Back to chapter 1, that's the basics. You cannot escape this, you stuck inside the matrix. Out in Hollywood, getting chased by some agents, saying they can verify your page and make you internet famous. All that brainwashing is bad for your psychological. I'm mentally unstable and still unstoppable. Ain't no way I'm losing, the competition is comical. Even Tom Cruise is gonna tell you that shit's impossible. Even Lex Luthor admitted I'm diabolical. I'm giving Freddy Krueger nightmares all the time. I'll pull up at your door if you talking online. I got quick delivery, I'm in my Amazon Prime. It's getting dangerous, yeah. They brainwashing. And see the thing is, you the one that made them poppin'. Telling everyone you hate that shit, but you can't stop watching. Go get the stainless, yeah. I'm brainwashing. 4 in the morning, I'm off a 5th and a 40, and now this bitch is recording me on the phone. And shorty back bony, she about as thick as Rick and Morty. I'm about to send her ass home. Ready, set, go. Oh, you went before I said so. I'm Katie, you Jarebko. I'm Brady and you Bledsoe. Don't play me on the radio, play me on the headphones. I used to be a player, but they made me the new head coach. Yeah, and you don't wanna hear my honest opinion. I was chosen, it was not my decision. So I keep my circle small, it's not a lot of division. And while I'm on the topic, I just thought I should mention, don't tell my mom about the chronic in the ottoman, or the tube sock with the Klonopins. I was popping them when I was in the wrong environment, and thought that I was dying. I was higher than a kite whenever there's lightning and a lot of wind. Oh, they brainwashing. And see the thing is, you the one that made them poppin'. Telling everyone you hate that shit, but you can't stop watching. Go get the stainless. I'm brainwashing. I'm not drinking, I'm just smoking back to back. It's hard to focus, got the gas, not in motion. Stuck in traffic, stop and go. Shit overcame procrastination, I get paid without promotion. Rappers out here jacking, they forgot the lotion. Ooh, I don't wanna talk, this ain't no negotiation. Fuck you